What's up guys, welcome back to the hack store, and in this video I'm gonna showcasing an website that you can utilize to get plus apps, hack games, and that your application will be downloading in your home screen. Wait for a few seconds to install. Magic. So the app has been installed. So guys, this is a new CD alternative, but previously it was not working fine. So I found that Coconut X is working 100% fine. Just you guys need to close this app. So you can see you have media box, HD, iPlay TV, much more, and you can even get movie box pro without invitation code or much more. So you can have like jailbreak application which are signed, PUBG hack, Instagram plus, you have adjusted to WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and so guys, if you I hope you enjoy my video. Make sure you subscribe my channel, and guys, next video. Until then, one piece. Make sure you smash that like button, and thank you for watching my video. I love you guys.